Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Engineering Mathematics. In this video, we will explore the method of variation of parameters. So this method is used to find the solution of second order differential equation with variable coefficient. So this method is used to find the complete solution of this kind of differential equation as d2y upon dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equals to r. Here p, q and r are the functions of x. We have to follow following steps to find the solution of second order differential equation with variable coefficient by using method of variation of parameter. So first step is we have to find the parts of complementary function. So first part as u and second part as we consider. Now in third step we have to consider the complete solution of given equation as y is equals to au plus bv. In next step, we have to find the value of a and b by using the following formulas. So a is equals to integration minus rv upon uv dash minus u dash v dx plus c1 and b is equals to integration r u upon uv dash minus u dash v dx plus c2. Here v dash means differentiation of v, u dash means differentiation of u, c1 and c2 are the arbitrary constants of integration. In next step, write y is equals to au plus bv as the complete solution. For example, we have to find the solution of differential equation d2y upon dx square plus a square y is equals to sec ax by using method of variation of parameters. So convert this equation in form of capital D. So let us assume d by dx is equivalent to capital D. So equation will be d square plus a square into y is equals to sec ax. Now for complementary function, assume sec ax function is equivalent to 0. So equation will be d square plus a square into y is equals to 0. Now find auxiliary equation. So to find the auxiliary equation, replace capital D by m and y by 1. Then auxiliary equation is m square plus a square is equals to 0. Now factorize this equation, then roots will be m is equals to plus minus iota a. So roots are imaginary roots. So complementary function will be c1 cos ax and plus c2 sin ax. Now assume the first part of cf cos ax is equals to u and second part of cf sin ax is equals to v. Now comparing the given equation by the standard form of equation. So standard form of equation is d2y upon dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equals to r. So comparison करने के बाद P is equals to आ जाएगा 0, Q is equals to a square and R is equals to sec ax. So let assume the complete solution is y is equals to au plus bv. So u is equals to cos ax and v is equals to sin x. So put the value of u and v in the complete solution. Now we have to find the value of capital A and capital B by using the formulas as discussed in previous slides. So A is equals to integration minus RV upon UV dash minus U dash V dx plus C1. Now put the value of R as sec ax and value of V as sin ax and value of V dash, differentiation of V. So differentiation of V is equals to differentiation of sin x is equals to a cos ax and differentiation of u dash. So u is equals to cos ax, differentiation of cos ax is equals to minus a sin ax. So put all these values, then a is equals to this. Now simplify this. Sec ax is equals to 1 upon cos ax. So this will be sin ax upon cos ax. So is equals to 10 ax. And here a into cos square ax and plus a into sin square ax. And we know that sin square ax plus cos square ax is equals to 1. So now integrate this term. Integration of minus 10ax is equals to log cos ax upon a. So this is the value of a. Now find the value of b by the formula. B is equals to integration r u upon u v dash minus u dash v dx plus c2. Now put the value of r and u v dash minus u dash v. So after simplifying this, we know that sec x is equals to 1 upon cos ax. So this will be cancelled out and value of this is equals to a. So now integrate this. So integration, after integration, term will be x upon a and plus c2. Now put the value of a and b in the complete solution. Y is equals to a cos ax and plus b sin ax. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b. So this is the required solution. So thank you all. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel.